All right, so this is Folks Finance. This is a decentralized platform. This is a decentralized application. I've personally been using this platform for about 3 years now, and I've seen it grow from literally $5 million in total value locked. Now it has $322 million locked, right? And you can use it on multiple blockchains, different networks. So right now, I personally use Folks Finance to teach individuals how to be their own bank. You use Folks Finance as a private bank account. Okay. These are the partnerships they have, different products, different things that they have to make it easier for people to learn. You can go there, check out their academy to learn more about DeFi, some of their latest news. Okay. But for us right now, we're going to jump into the app. We're going to click launch app, and it's going to take you to this home screen. All right, so I'm using the blockcycle.algo wallet for this example, just to help people get started with Folks Finance. So, like I said, one of the things that we use for Folks Finance is our private banking. So here we have the deposit area. Okay, the deposit area is the simplest, easiest part about the platform. You simply deposit your assets and then you start earning compound interest. All right, so just to keep it simple, we're going to deposit 11 algo into the deposit area. And now we're going to start earning 2.5% on our algo. That's it. That's all. And just as quick as we add it to deposit, we can withdraw and our assets will go right back to our Para wallet. Okay. And if you just started, you definitely want to make sure that you have your Para wallet downloaded. This is just a reminder. You need the Para wallet downloaded. Make sure that you have all of your passwords wrote down in a safe place so that you can always have access to your account. And then you're going to go back to Folks Finance and then you want to connect the wallet here. So you disconnect and connect, and you can have multiple wallets connected, multiple accounts connected. So this is the deposit area. This is the first thing that you're going to do when you get started, just to see how the platform works. Okay, you're going to be able to click this box here. This way you can get rid of all the fluff, right? You can see which assets you have and then which assets you don't, won't be in the way. We'll go deeper into lending pools later, but lending pools offer you the benefit of high yield, one thing, and then you can lend your crypto for a high yield. You can earn higher swapping fees, and then you have the ability to farm. So it's just like it's like a liquidity pools on steroids. And private banking mixed in. So we'll get deeper into that later. The next thing would be creating your own loan. So you can create loans from scratch, which we will do. The first loan. Okay, and then you're going to select general. This way you can add any of the assets that you want and then create loan. So now you just created your first loan and voila. Right, go back. So whenever you click at the top, click on loans. You can click manage. This will help you open the loan so you can see the details. Right? And then I'm going to go over these numbers with you in detail. So collateral balance. The collateral balance is how much assets, how many assets you have inside of your collateral. You have to have collateral in order to create the loan. Okay, so in order for this loan to start generating you any passive income or compound interest, you need to add your assets to the loan. The borrow balance is how much you borrowed against your collateral. Okay, so if you put in $100 and you borrow $50, then you'll have $100 worth of collateral and $50 in your borrow balance. The liquidation margin shows you how much liquidity, how much equity you still have available inside of your loan. Okay, so you watch this to see the health. How healthy is your loan? How strong is your account? That's what the liquidation margin shows you. The net APY tells you the net amount of interest you will yield. Like after all of the calculations from the collateral, the borrow, the debt, and everything, it'll show you how much you'll actually earn. And then LTV, for those who are familiar with real estate, loan to value, this shows you how much of the collateral and the ratio that you borrow from each other. So like I said, if it's $100 in collateral and you borrow $50, that's a 50% LTV. How much was the loan compared to the collateral? 50%. Okay. So G algo is for voting. So when voting comes around, if you're interested in learning more about voting, we'll get into that. You can use this to learn about voting. Also staking. So you can stake your regular algo for X algo, and then you'll earn extra rewards for doing that. It's another thing. Points. So these are the points for airdrops, because they're creating a folks finance token. So for those people that use this platform, they will be eligible to receive folks finance points and then get the folks finance token. Ultra swap is not available in the United States if you're here. And then that's pretty much it. And then you can swap assets for other assets. So like right now, that G algo that I just came across, I'm actually going to swap that out into, basically swap back into regular algo. And then I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. I just wanted to help you guys get started with folks finance, what it is and how to work it, things like that. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, just post it. All right. And I'm out.